In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Google Maps. By the end, you'll know how to trace a path or outline an area right inside Google Maps using the built-in distance tool, which is perfect for planning routes, measuring walks, or visualizing boundaries. With Google Maps open on your computer, start by locating the Layers button. It usually sits near the bottom left corner of the map. Click it to expand your map options. This panel lets you toggle different views, and it's where we'll find the drawing feature. If your window is small, you might need to maximize your browser or zoom out a bit to see the Layers button clearly. Next, click the option labeled More. This reveals additional map overlays and tools that aren't shown by default. Among these, you'll find the feature we need to draw lines and shapes that also calculate distance. Now click Distance. This activates the measuring mode, which is the key to drawing on the map. Once it's on, your cursor will let you place points, and a small measurement card may appear to keep a running total of your distance as you draw. Think of this like switching to a digital ruler. With the tool active, click anywhere on the map to set your starting point. Then click again to add your next point. Google Maps will connect those points with a straight line segment. Continue clicking to add more points and watch your path take shape. To follow curves or winding streets more accurately, use shorter, more frequent clicks so the line hugs the route closely. If you're outlining an area, keep placing points around the perimeter, and when you're ready, click back on your starting point to close the shape. When you close a loop, you'll see not only the total perimeter distance, but also the area inside, which is great for quick estimates of fields, parks, or neighborhoods. As you draw, you can refine your path without starting over. Drag any point to reposition it, and the line will adjust automatically. If you placed a point by mistake, click that point to remove it. Zoom in for precision by using the plus button or your mouse wheel, and pan the map by clicking and dragging the background so you can keep placing points without losing your place. That's all there is to it. By clicking Layers, then More, then Distance, and selecting points on the map, you can draw clear paths and outlines right inside Google Maps, complete with real-time measurements.